Hey family, it's your girl Chef Evelyn here, and I am back with another video because I have a special invitation for you. So if you are a chef, a food blogger, a culinary entrepreneur, you are looking for ways to add additional revenue to your business, I am going to be doing a free masterclass on how to generate additional revenue for your food business through in-person and online cooking classes. And so if you have missed out on the previous master classes, or even if you attended the previous master classes, I want to let you know that this one is new and improved. There's some extra goodies and bonuses. So the link to register for the master class is in the description box of this video. So in that video, you're going to leave with your own secret sauce on how to create classes that will help you stand out in what seems to be a saturated market. As a bonus for attending the live masterclass, I'm also going to give you my free guide on the 14 different types of cooking classes that you can incorporate into your business or blog. I'm also going to be giving you my cook the book template on how to do cooking classes based off using a cookbook. You're also going to learn how to really create a successful cooking class business or revenue stream in your business. And I'm going to be sharing with you what I've learned over the past 9 years of teaching thousands of people how to cook in person and online and doing demos. Okay, so you're going to learn how to apply that to your business, and then you're also going to learn the secret recipe it takes to make sure that your ideal client actually comes to you and you're not out in the world looking for them, right? It's like a totally game changer because listen, a lot of times we think that in order to find customers and clients, we have to go searching for them. And in this masterclass, you are going to find out how to get your own recipe to get your clients to come to you. So I'm super excited about it. And listen, share this video with your favorite chefpreneur, your favorite person that does meal prep or planning, catering, food blogger, cookbook author, celebrity chef, you name it, they need this free masterclass. I'm so excited to bring this to you. I have been teaching cooking classes, like I said, for over 9 years. I've taught thousands of students. It's one of my favorite ways to make money in this industry. It's one of my favorite ways to connect with my clients and my customers. And it's just a win-win on both sides. It's a great time, a great experience, and a great learning for the students that will be in your cooking classes. And it's also a great way to work less, hear me, work less and make more in your culinary brand. So I'm super duper excited. All the details are in the description below. And listen, if something is going on and you happen that you can't make it live, it doesn't matter. I'm going to send you the replay and the bonuses. So make sure that you register at the link below. It's coming up soon, and follow the instructions after you register. Make sure you share this video with a fellow chefpreneur, a caterer, someone who does meal prep, pop-up dinners, a food blogger, someone who's written a cookbook, anyone who is in the food space, whether they're an Instagrammer or a YouTuber, and they want to monetize their skill set in a fun and easy way by teaching in-person or online cooking classes. Also share this video with them, but make sure you register first, follow the instructions after you register, and I will see you in the live masterclass. Peace.